Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your feng shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope: Taurus, April 20 to May 20. Tuesday, May 7, 2024 is about the Ace of Cups, the beginning of everything, the renewal of your relationship towards someone or somebody, not necessarily romantic or of romance undertone. And when you say Ace of Cups, it is pointing to the time of summer, June, July, August. And if it is an Ace of Cups, it is all about your feelings, your emotionalities, your concern, your empathy, your spirituality, your belongingness. So since it is one, it is a beginning or an initiative being carried on. And the mind asserts that this gonna be. So in the process of manifestation, it should be from the top. So it should be Ace of One, then Ace of Cups, then Ace of Sword, then Ace of Pentacles. So the finality of everything in that aspect is the Ace of Pentacles or Ace of Coins. We have to reassess our relationship with one another, wherein there should be a sense of camaraderie and cooperativeness to one another. So ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito, panahon ng Taurus, April 20 to May 20, araw ng Martes, Mayo 7, 2024, ay may kinalaman sa Alas de Copas o Ace of Cups, na nagtutukoy sa iyong damdamin, iyong concern mo, o yung gusto mong mangyari. Inaayos mo ba ang iyong relasyon sa iyong kapwa-tao o mismo sa iyong sarili? So yun ang pinupunto ng horoscope na ito. Ayusin ang mga relasyon para sa bandang muli ay magkasundo-sundo at hindi magkaroon ng problema.